Good morning, students. Welcome to the channel Knowledge Daily. I am Dr. Mukhopadhyay, and as every day, I have come here to show you some of the basic processes to solve aptitude-based questions and also the reasoning-based questions. So, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel so that you will get the notification about the video which I'm going to post every day at 10 a.m. in the morning, and you can able to learn how to solve aptitude test. Okay, so today's video I'm going to show you the questions of based on the numbers problems, and this is the part 3 of this particular video series, and probably for a timing this is the last one. So let's start with our today's video. So the difference between a number and its 4/5 is 20. Find the number. Okay, so difference between a number and its 4/5. So let's say the number is x. So if the number is x and 4/5 of that number is, if the difference is 20, so if you solve it, you will get this particular number, x equal to 100. So easy, right? So you just need to know how to solve, because these kind of questions are very common in different competitive exams. Different competitive exams. So you just need to know how to solve it. Second question. Three numbers are added in pairs. The sum so obtained are 20. So let's say three different number x, y, z. Okay. So if xy is added, it may be a 20. If y is z added, it may be 27. If xz added, it may be 23. So what you need to do? You need to just solve the equations with these three equations. So if we take x plus y equal to 20 and y plus z is equal to 27, and we subtract this with the particular two equation, we will get x minus z equal to -7. Now, if we solve this, x plus z equal to 23, is x minus z is equal to -7, then we will get this added, just add these two, you will get 2x equal to how much? 16. Then x equal to 8. Okay, so the x equal to 8. Now, if you solve this with the help of this x, you will get y equal to 12 and z equal to 15. So the answer is C. This is very easy. This is a very common aptitude-based questions. Okay, so in the next question, we are going to solve if the sum of two number is 40 and the product is 30, find those two numbers. So let's say two number x and y, their sum is 40 and their product is 300. Now we have to solve. Okay, so we have to basically find out what is x minus y value. So x minus y value, if we find out, then x plus y square minus 4xy. That is the formula. That's the algebra formula. Okay, please check the description box for all these formulas. Right? So if you solve it, you can get the value that is 20. So x minus y equal to 20. So now if we solve x plus y with x minus y, x plus y equal to 40, x minus y equal to 20. If we add these two, what we get? that is 2x equal to 60 and x equal to 30. That we are going to get, right? That we are going to get this particular value. Fine. So if we just put the a value of x into this particular equation, we are going to get the value of y. So the value of y is 10. So the answer is 30 and 10. It's a very simple one. Fine. The questions may look somewhat tricky, but the answer is simple if you know how to solve it. And that is why I am here to show you how to solve different questions, and that will give you confidence. If you practice after seeing these kinds of problem solving approach, and after you practice, you will definitely learn, and you can definitely solve any question based on aptitudes in exam. So the next question is, a number is tripled and the 10 is added. If the resultant is doubled, we get 56. What is the number? So let the number is x. So it is a triple. So triple is 3x plus 10. Okay. Now if we double this whole thing, we will get 56. So by solving this, 6x plus 6x is equal to 56 minus 20, that is 36. X divided by 36 by 6, that is 6. So x is 6. The option is A. Fine. So the option is A. Now in the next question, we are going to solve on multiplying the number by 6. Excuse me. So on multiplying the number by 6 and taking away 7 from the product, produce the same result as tripling a number and adding 2 to the result. Find out the number. So look, you need to form an equation based on this statement. So let the number is x. So in the first case, we are going to multiply the number with 6 and take away 7. This will be equal to, if we tripling the number and add 2, right? If we tripling the number and add 2. Okay. So in this case, you have to solve this by this way, and x is equal to 3. Look, if you need to know how to solve, it will be very easy for you. That is why I am here, to show you the process. So next one, there is a 2-digit number such that when 18 is subtracted to the number, the digits are reversed. Also, the product of its digit is 8. The number is, there is a 2-digit number. Okay. So the number is 8. The two digits are, let the 2 digits are x and x by 8. Sorry. X and 8 by x. Sorry, it was initially my mistake. So the number is 10x plus 8 by x minus 18 is equal to 10 8 by x plus x. That is the equation. Fine. So that is the equation. That equation we have formed from this particular statement. Okay. So now if you solve this, you will get x equal to 4. And if you just place this thing in the number format, you will get the number, that is 42. So answer is 42. Now, in the next question is, the product of two numbers is 375. When the larger number is divided by the smaller, the quotient obtained is 15. Okay, determine the sum of the numbers. So we need to determine two numbers, and we just need to do the sum. That is Very easy, but say one number is x, another is y. In the similar way, the multiplication product is 3375, right? So and in another way, if it is divided, if one number is divided by other, that means divided by smaller. If the larger number is x and it is divided by smaller y, we will get 15. So now, from this equation, what we get x equal to 15y. If we put this particular information in this particular equation, we get 15y square is equal to 3375, right? So this 15y square is equal to 3375. So y square is equal to, so we can just solve this. So y square is equal to 225. We just divide this particular with 15, and we will get this particular 225 number. Y square equal to 225. Now you can able to find out what is the value of y. The value of y is 15. And now when we know the value of y is 15, then we can easily find out the value of x. So x by y, that means 15, is equal to 15. So now x is equal to 225. Now the sum of these two value, is 240. So the answer is 240. Right? Now it's come to your homework question, and your homework question is this. The sum of two numbers is 42 and the product is 440. Find out the sum of the reciprocals. So that is your homework question, and this is your homework question. Don't forget to solve. After seeing all the problem solving things, you need to solve this particular question. Okay, so that is the end of today's video. Enjoy your Sunday and see you in the next video. So if you really like this video, do subscribe my channel. Please share this video with your peers so that they can also get benefited. If you have any problem, please post that comment in the comment section, and please do not forget to like this video. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.